here, the moment of truth.
It's drizzling, but it's not going to stop us. Come on, baby. Come on, you got this. Let's do that. Go, baby, go. You got this, go.
Fear and excitement are the same thing, and today I will experience both as I ride deep into Las Cajas National Park and attempt a trail I would have thought crazy not that long ago. I need to acclimatize. I'm doing Chimborazo Saturday, Sunday, if that's possible. To go, I need to acclimatize. Keeping out at 14,000 feet or so is going to be very good. It's going to help me, not just psychologically, but it'll help me, I think, physiologically too. And then I'll be back down tomorrow morning, pick up my stuff, and then head to Riobamba, and I'll spend the night there. So that'll be a much lower elevation. So I'll be completely recovered, but it's good to have one night at altitude, just to get solid and dialed.
So hopefully I've got everything I need. There's always something that you wish you had. I've got 2 liters of water, which is probably a little bit not enough. I'm hoping the weather holds. I mean, this is going to be a big blower if it's raining up there. Pretty psyched. The weather looks good up here. It's a little dark, but wild alpacas, man, how cool is that? We're back at the Laguna Toreadora. Here's where we're gonna come back later. That's the trail. Okay.
We're right near the Mirador. So this is the trail we're gonna do right now. So we're gonna go a little walk, and then we're gonna take this beach trail here. Wish I could say I'm on the trail, but I'm not. I'm totally off trail. This is the hardest trail system I think I've ever been on. You've got these faint little paths, and then all of a sudden you're in nowhere. Gotta climb up this thing. Doesn't look super bad, like super steep, but I think that's where I need to get up there and go over that ridge. It's almost 3 o'clock. I've literally got it now. And we are out of here. The moment of truth.
It's drizzling, but it's not going to stop us. I know you guys want to see this. Me too. See how it goes today.
Not too slippery. Good.
Okay, anyways, this is the steep hill. This is what had me freaked out a little bit yesterday. Worst comes to worst, we pick the bike up, right? Okay, right. Come on, baby! Come on, you got this, let's do that, go, baby, go! You got this, go! Come on! Yes! That's a huge win for Ascanio. Oh wow, look at this. We got a lagoon here. No wonder it's so wet around here. You just start right here. That's what I'm liking right here. It's got my name all over it. I think this will be the perfect home for the next couple days. Not minding it at all. What a ride. Pretty cool. In case you guys are wondering, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 layers, and yeah, I'm pretty toasty right now, but it's gonna get cold. Let's see what the temperature is. 8 degrees Celsius, and that was pretty quick. It took about 3 minutes or 4 minutes. Kind of like it. Look at that. You enter from there. It's gonna have right on the bike. Put the little tarp on top. Wow, the tent is set up. The footprint is down. I've broken several of these. Look at this. Both of these were broken. Garbage, trash. We're not going to leave any moop here. Here's my little situation. kind of happy with it. I think it's a perfect little spot.
This is it. This is the life. The moto camping life. And one thing I did not forget that I'm really happy about. These are essentials. Little baby wipes, wet wipes, butt wipes, whatever you want to call them. And tissue paper right here. In case you guys are wondering what I'm having for dinner tonight. Little chicken sandwich, an avocado, and potato chips, bag of Ruffles. And I got some nuts and a little beef jerky for an emergency. Anyway, provecho. This is how you eat it. Scoop it right out like guacamole. And this is mother's milk. These avocados in Ecuador, hands down the best avocados on the planet. But look how creamy and beautiful this is. Pure amazingness. I could eat these just by itself. They're that good.